Hello and welcome to PassFab channel. Being locked out of your Windows 11 computer, whether due to a forgotten password, a changed password, or another issue, can be a frustrating experience. However, you can regain access to your PC without your password. This video will show you how to reset or entirely remove your Windows 11 password without needing to log in first, and without losing any personal files or data. Method 1 is the use of a password reset disk. If you created a password reset disk for your PC in the past, you can boot up to the Windows lock screen, try to log in with a wrong password, and you're going to see the option to reset forgotten password. Now you need to plug in the USB drive and click on Reset Password. The password recovery wizard will appear and guide you through creating a new password. Enter a new password, confirm it, include a hint, and click Finish. After that, simply enter your new password at the lock screen, and you've successfully regained access to your administrator account. For the second method, we highly recommend using a professional tool called PassFab 4Win Key. This software makes everything straightforward and simple. It allows you to log back in and even delete passwords and user accounts without any data loss. First, use the link in the video description to download and install the software on a separate working computer. Open PassFab 4Win Key, and you will see this main screen. Ensure you have a USB flash drive ready. Insert it into the working computer, click Start, and in the drop-down menu, select the correct drive. Then, click Start Burning. The software will create a bootable disk in just a few seconds. You will then see on-screen instructions for the next steps. Exit the application and safely eject the USB drive. Return to your locked PC and insert the newly created bootable USB drive. Restart the computer and access its startup menu. The key to press for this, like F10 or Escape, can vary depending on your PC's make and model. Choose the Boot Device menu and select the USB flash drive to boot from. After a moment, PassFab 4Win Key will load reset files. On the screen that appears, select your Windows operating system. Next, to proceed to the following page. Here, you will see the user accounts on the system. For this example, I will select the administrator account. Select either Reset Account Password or Remove Account Password. Either selection will let you bypass the login password. Input a new password, confirm it, and then click on Reset. Next, click to reboot the computer. Once the PC finishes restarting, you can now log in by entering the new password, and that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you solve your Windows 11 password issue, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.